Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious crème brûlée in your oven. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You will need heavy cream, egg yolks, sugar, and vanilla for the rich custard base. Also, prepare your ramekins, a larger baking dish for the water bath, and a kitchen torch for that iconic crunchy topping. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 160 degrees Celsius, to ensure it's ready for baking. Now, let's create the silky smooth custard. Begin by gently warming 2 cups of heavy cream with a teaspoon of vanilla extract in a saucepan until it just simmers, but do not boil it. In a separate bowl, whisk 5 large egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and thick. Then, slowly pour the warm cream into the egg yolk mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs and prevent them from scrambling. This step is crucial for a smooth custard. With your custard ready, it's time for baking. Carefully pour the mixture into 4 to 6 individual ramekins, filling each about 3/4 of the way. Arrange these ramekins in a larger baking dish, then add hot water to the larger dish, creating a water bath that comes halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake for about 30 to 40 minutes until the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. Afterward, chill them for at least 4 hours. The final, most exciting step is creating that signature crunchy topping. Take your thoroughly chilled crème brûlée and sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the surface of each custard. Now, using a kitchen torch, carefully caramelize the sugar until it melts, bubbles, and transforms into a beautiful, crisp, amber crust. Let the caramelized sugar cool and harden for a few minutes, then serve immediately to enjoy the perfect contrast of textures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.